Hello everyone, Assalamu Walaikum. How are you all? I hope you are well. Welcome back to my channel in this new video. Today's video, how to bold text in Google Sheets. So get started. At first, open your Google Sheets document. Firstly, then show the Google Sheets from now text from the board. Now select from the any text option now for click. Now going to the menu option. Now click for the bold option. That's it. Then again another option. Now select from the text. Now click for the bold option. That's it. Again same process. That's it. Then show the bold text in Google Sheets is very easy. I hope to enjoy the video. Please like, comment, share and subscribe my channel. Thanks for watching.